If you think about the current world we live in, digital media is everywhere. It's in every single thing that we do. From gaming, being online with friends and family, and even banking and education now, it's all about digital media, tech, tools, devices, and apps. So that's where our grade 4s began. They started by reflecting not just about their own usage of digital media, but the wider community. And they realized that we're swimming in it, quite literally.
This is my exhibition in the grade 4 unit celebration. Many of our workshops are interactive, like mine.
So basically what we have been doing in grade 4, we've been learning about media, communities, and relationships, I think.
I'm working with Mahek and Imara and trying to teach. So our parents are coming over, nursery, pre-K, kindergarten are all coming over, and we're teaching them about safe passwords.
I'm the parent of a 4th grader. I've been really impressed by what I've seen. I've been impressed by the fact that all these children, despite their very tender years, are very much aware of various issues which relate to the internet.
I'm really impressed because the kids are learning about hacking and fake news. So it's good that the children are learning so many things at this young age. So they are more careful about cyberbullying and about using safe passwords and everything.
I'm really quite proud of our grade 4s. For this unit, the grade 4s created their own musical piece. Both classes came up with a poem and a word chain, and then in groups they created movement and music that went with it, and then we all put it together as one big piece. It's really fantastic, the group work they were able to do. All the poems and the word chains, the content has to do with digital safety and media.
And so that's where they started thinking about safety. How do we stay safe online? How do we keep our communities safe and not just ourselves? And the big question around consequences and actions. And they gathered all of this knowledge and they thought about, what do we do with it? How do we take action? And so that is why, for the first time ever, at ISD, our grade 4s are hosting the International ISD Digital Footprints Workshop.